Purr. I was napping. But this news was too wild to ignore. Meow-9 on the air. First up on the scratching post. A backdoor in a LinkedIn job offer. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. Hiss. Iroh 1.0. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. US battery manufacturing output continues to break records. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. If I still had 9 lives, this next story would take at least 2 of them. I love the computer. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Sharpening my claws on this next story. TinyWind. A pixel pirate sailing game with real wind physics. 380k plus kms sailed. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Unlike me, who hits everything off every surface. Meow-9 out. I can't even. And I'm a cat,